What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video I mean. And in today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can log in into your Exodus wallet. Now for those people who do not know Exodus, let me first explain to you guys what Exodus is. And if you guys decided to sign up into Exodus, you have made a video on how you guys can sign up into Exodus. You guys can watch that video. But before that, Exodus is a digital crypto storing wallet. Now since cryptocurrencies are digital, you can't store it in a normal physical wallet. You need a digital wallet to store it in. So basically Exodus is one of the safe, secure digital wallet for your computer. So if you want to use Exodus, as I said, watch our video on how you guys can sign up into it. So let's get into the video on how you guys can log in into your current Exodus account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's move on, shall we? First step, open your Exodus and it's gonna show you this. Now if you remember the password of your Exodus account, you can enter it over here where it says type your password and press enter and you're good to go. But let's say you forgot your password. You can click on restore over here, and once you click on it, it's gonna ask you for the 12-word recovery phrase which was given to you when you created your wallet. If you have that 12-word recovery phrase, paste it over here and click on enter and you should be able to log in into your account. So these are the two ways on how you guys can log in into your Exodus wallet. So I know my password, so I'm going to enter it over here, click on enter, and I should be able to log in into my account. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I will be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.